Here at our dealership, one of our slogans is the power behind the paint. And what that means is it's the people behind the John Deere product that make our business.
Anybody with technical background could come into the dealership, and Deere provides training to get you up to speed on the product specific stuff.
The dealership gives us a lot of support when it comes to our own success. They allow us to go to whatever training we feel we need to help better our career path.
Now it's all about troubleshooting and diagnostics and figuring out what the issues are, working very close with the customer on how to resolve a problem.
You know, that's one of the biggest reasons why I love working in this industry is everything day to day is different. You never have a day that is the same as yesterday. This is not a manufacturing job. This is not standing in an assembly line. This is figuring out a new problem every day, fixing something different every day, having a new challenge every day.
A service tech position is a great place to start. It's just a good building block on a whole career, and advancements opportunities like I did into precision ag or into sales or parts, it's a really great place to start.
Being a technician prepared me to be a salesman from the training I needed for combines and four-wheel drive tractors to help customers better understand the choices that they need to fit their operations.
But having good technicians, those are who the customers trust. They'll tell me, this guy is just great. I do business with you because, you know, have faith in this guy when he comes out to work on my piece of machinery. So.
If I was going to recruit somebody to come and work for our dealership, one of my top selling points would be just the opportunity that's there, how willing the company is to work with us, and the ability to make money.
There's just a lot of opportunity there, and we need technicians, bottom line.